Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of a credit card that's turning heads in the Indian market, the Axis Bank Supermoney RuPay credit card. So if you're someone who spends a good amount through UPI and prefers simple money back rewards, this card could be the perfect fit for you. Now let's break down everything you need to know about it. The features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether this card actually holds up in 2025. This is not your typical flashy credit card with hidden terms or confusing point systems. It's actually a collaborative product between Axis Bank and a new age platform called Supermoney by Flipkart. But here's where it gets interesting. It's powered by RuPay, India's homegrown card network, and is fully optimized for UPI-based transactions. So yes, that means you can use your credit card on UPI apps and earn real cashback. No more hunting for redemption portals or converting reward points. The Supermoney RuPay card is completely free for life. No joining fee, no annual fee, and no hidden charges. It's designed for the digital generation, people who prefer UPI over swiping their card, and those who want direct cashback rather than gimmicky rewards. Now let us talk about the main features of the card. First, cashback structure. Let's start with what matters the most, the rewards. Unlike most cards that offers points, the Supermoney credit card goes for direct cashback and is generous for a no-fee card. So there's 3% cashback on all UPI transactions that is done via the Supermoney app. This is an excellent offer, especially considering that most UPI compatible credit cards still offer only 1% or less. There's 1% cashback on all other eligible spends, including shopping, dining, utilities, and more. The cashback is credited monthly and directly to your card account, making it hassle-free. No minimum redemption value, there are no conversion rates, it's straight up money back. Monthly cashback cap. You earn a maximum of 500 rupees per billing cycle. This translates to a maximum eligible UPI spend of around 16,667 rupees per month to get the full 3% cashback. Fuel surcharge waiver. Fuel is expensive and every little saving helps. This card offers 1% surcharge waiver on transactions between 400 rupees and 4,000 rupees across India. It is capped at 400 rupees per billing cycle. UPI compatibility. This is one of the biggest reasons people are excited about this card. You can link this credit card with popular UPI apps like PhonePe, Paytm, BHIM, or the Supermoney app. This means you can scan and pay using your credit limits and earn cashback on the go. No need to carry cash or debit cards. Digital management. You can manage everything through the Axis Bank mobile banking app or the Supermoney app. And with this, you get real-time spending updates, easy card blocking and unblocking, cashback tracking and alerts, e-statements and due date reminders. This digital-first approach makes it ideal for Gen Z and millennials who live through their smartphones. Now let us talk about the pricing of this card. As earlier mentioned, the joining fee is nil, 0 rupees. The annual fee is also nil, 0 rupees, which is great, which means it is lifetime free. There's a cash advance fee of 2.5% of the amount withdrawn, or 500 rupees, whichever is higher. There are also late payment charges that apply, as well as the foreign currency transaction markup fee, which is 3.5% of the transaction value on international non-DCC transactions. Now, what are the pros and cons of using this card, the Supermoney RuPay credit card? We start with the pros. 0 fees for life, because there are no joining or annual charges. High UPI cashback, hard cashback, UPI credit utility, which makes credit usable in day-to-day payments like kirana stores, auto rickshaws, or even small restaurants. There's also the fuel surcharge waiver that adds extra value for those who drive regularly. How about the cons? Monthly cashback cap of 500 rupees. That limits benefits for high spenders. No lounge access, insurance, or lifestyle perks. And there are RuPay network limitations. So let's get real. Is this the flashiest card out there? No, it doesn't come with airport lounge access or free movie tickets. But if you're someone who wants to earn genuine cashback for day-to-day spends without the headache of complex reward systems, this card nails it. Even for beginners that are looking to build their credit history or those who want to use a credit card without worrying about annual fees, this card is a smart entry point. And that's it on the review of the Access Bank Supermoney RuPay credit card. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Yes Bank Click credit card, HDFC Millionaire credit card, and IDFC First Millionaire credit card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.